Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove video from TikTok collection. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. Click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the save icon, this one. And then in here you just click on the my collection, and in here you just click on the or folder your collection, and then in here you just click on manage videos. And after this, if you wanna remove or you wanna move this video, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on this icon at the video that you want to remove, and after this, in here you just click on the remove at the bottom. Okay, and click on the remove. Okay, and finish. So that's how to remove a video from TikTok collection. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.